Okay guys, welcome to video number 2, how to make money with $300 daily system. With this video guys, I will show you step by step how to use this system and how to make money from this system for free, of course. I will show you step by step. All you have to do is watch this video to the end. If there something that you don't understand, please watch this video again and again until you understand exactly how this system, how this great system works. And this is an amazing method that you can use no matter where are you from. Everyone can use this system and everyone can make money from this system for free. Okay, so let's start, but before I will show you my proof from this system, and then I will show you step by step how to use it and how to make money from this amazing system. Okay, so let's go to PayPal. I would like to show you my proof from this system. Okay, so like you see, I make $62,361 dollars from this system. You can do it too. I will show you every single day my earning from this system. Okay, so basically, like you see, past 30 days, I make over 8,267. Okay, this is an amazing, and like you see, my earning every single day. Okay, this is great. You can see over 500, over 400, over 465. You can see 478. Okay, every day I make money from this system, and also you can do it too. This is so easy to make money from this amazing system, and I will show you step by step, and you can make this money too. Okay, like you see, over 8,267 in the past 30 days. Okay, so how this work? Let's back to the $300 daily. Like you see, with this system, there is a lot of affiliates, over 1,525 affiliates working with this system, and the total earning is over $11,300. Okay, this is an amazing money, and I think this affiliates very happy to work with this system and make money from. Okay, so basically step number 1, all you have to do is go to affiliates. You can see here affiliates, and you will get this page. Like you see, join our free affiliate program and earn 100% per client. Okay, per client sales. Okay, so when you promote this system, you will get 100% commission when you sell this program. Okay, when you become a $300 daily affiliate, will give you a unique tracking link. Okay, I will show you exactly how to get this tracking link that you can share through an ad Facebook post, maybe on Facebook groups. Okay, this is fantastic. You can promote your link on YouTube comments, your blog, or Twitter, or any way you choose. Okay, this is very important. You can share your link everywhere. Okay, and basically you have to share your link everywhere so you can make money from this system. Okay, so basically you can see here you have to type your name and your email and your PayPal payment. Okay, this is very important so you can receive a commission. Okay, so when you put your name, your username, your best email, and your PayPal payment, all you have to do is click submit so you can get your affiliate link. Okay, now when you get your when you click submit, you will get this link like you see here, your affiliate link. That's great. And also you have to check your email or spam inbox if you don't get an email from this system. But basically this is your affiliate link, and all you have to do is copy and share your link. Okay, now I will show you how to share your link using free traffic, absolutely free traffic. And of course I will show you for a bonus the biggest solo ads website that you can get unlimited, even thousand of clicks to your affiliate link, and you can get unlimited sales from this website. But first I will show you I will show you how to use free traffic and how to get sales with this system. Okay, so basically let's copy first my affiliate link, and let's go to traffic source number 1. Okay, this website name is the viral mails. Don't worry, I will put all the links below this video, so don't worry. Right now I want you to see exactly how I am doing this because this is very important. Okay, so basically step 1, you have to put your affiliate link here in the site URL. Also you can put your link here in the message body, and you need some text so you can back to the landing page. $300 daily. You can copy this text. Okay, this is very convert text, so you can copy and back to the traffic website and put here. Okay, now you need a message subject, so we can type here something like this. I am always use this title. This is very convert title. Need more PayPal cash, check free video. Okay, if you have another title that you think that more convert, it's okay, you can use it. And basically remember, you can send your email every single day using this website. That means you can get free traffic every single day from this website. Okay, so now we have the title and the body text and our affiliate link, and also here our affiliate link. Now we have some credit here. We will use all this credit. Okay, we have 325, so I will use all of them, and all I have to do is send. That's all. When I send, I have to wait, and then you can see here, confirm my site. That's it. Your message has been sent. You should be able to view it on the send message. Here. That's mean here, okay? Send message. Okay, that's great. So basically, this is a traffic source number one. Now I will show you another website that you can get unlimited free traffic. This is a great free traffic. So like I said, right now I have over 1,514 credit, but I can use 1,000 every single day. Okay, so I will use right now only 1,000. So I will back and get my affiliate link and put here in the URL you are advertising. Okay, so I will put here, and I need a subject. You can use need more PayPal cash. Like I said, you can use the same, and I can put my link here, and exactly the same what I did. Okay, you can do this on all website traffic the same. Make sure you put your affiliate link and make sure your title is convert. You have to put some text in the inbox text, and that's it. All you have to do is send message now. Okay, so the email is sent now. Exactly, I will do in the all website. Okay, need more traffic cash. Sorry, need more PayPal cash. Check this free video, and I will get my link. I have over 11,310 credit here. That's great. I will use all of them. Okay, so my subject and my message and my affiliate, and you have here sent. Great, that's great. Okay, now I will go to this website. I will do the same. Sorry, I will get my, I will put my link, and I will put my link here, and I will get this text. Okay, great. I have 25. Okay, it's okay. I will I know this is not a lot of credit, but you can make more credit with this video, with this website, and all you have to do is send. That's all you have to do. Okay, confirm, and your message has been sent. Great. Now guys, I will show you one of the biggest traffic source that you can use. It's called platform traffic. Like I said, don't worry, I will put all the links below this video. Like you see, do you have a product or service to sell? Yes, of course. Are you getting tired of promoting and getting nowhere? Okay, so basically you get the point. This website will give you unlimited traffic. You can see over 70 millions targeted. traffic. You can get 2.3 million every single day, guys. This is an amazing website. Okay, so let's go. I will show you exactly how this works. When you make your membership, you have to log in, and you can see here 2.3 million bulk Miller login. Okay, so let's log in. Great, and you can see here in the top members, or sorry, you can see send mail, and you will get this page. Now, this is very important. When you make your membership with this website, this website is yours for life, for lifetime. Okay, so you can use this website to promote any product you want, and you don't have to pay it anymore. Okay, so how this work? The same. Okay, let's get my affiliate link and put here. Great, and let's get my text. Great, and here need more PayPal Cash. Check this free video. Now remember, if you have another title that more convert, that's great, you can use it. Okay, but basically this is my favorite title. I am using all the time, and I am getting unlimited clicks and conversion from this, using this title, and I really like it. Okay, if you want to use it too, you can use it too. It's fantastic. Okay, now basically you have to use 5 categories here. I will choose 5: business and internet marketer, and I will use shopping and gift. Okay, so remember, you have to put your affiliate link, your title, and that's all you have to do. Send your email to millions of members. Okay, this is a fantastic and great traffic to get unlimited sales. Okay, and then you can click here, send. Great, mailing complete. Your message was successfully sent to our entire worldwide databases and partner databases. Okay, this is guys, a great website to get unlimited traffic. You can use this website. Basically, you can use all this website, all this free traffic, to promote your affiliate link daily. Okay, and basically you have to do this easy work. This is very easy work. Okay, this is not a hard work. All you have to do is take action and make money online. Okay, thank you for watching this video number 2. I hope you will take action. I hope you will make money from this system like others affiliates. And if you have any question, please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone to succeed with this system. And remember, if I can do money from this system, you can do it too. This is so easy, and everyone can do it. Thank you again for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you very much.